Hi everybody, welcome back. So this is the first beauty video that I have done in a really long time. If you guys follow my Instagram, you will see that I review a ton of beauty products. I also review a ton of beauty products on my blog, but I don't really focus on that on my YouTube channel, mainly because I am not confident in my skills as a makeup artist. But I got an overwhelming amount of DMs and emails and comments asking whether or not I could review some of the products I get on my YouTube channel because you guys want to know if they work, if they look good on your skin tone, so on and so forth. So I'm gonna start providing what you guys want. For this first video, I will be focusing on Makeup Forever's Matte Velvet Skin Foundations. So they were kind enough to send me 3 colors. So this one is R510, Y513, and R530. So I'm excited to see how these work. They're really well reviewed, so I just want to know what they're going to look like on my skin tone. These are supposed to provide full matte coverage, which is great because I get hormonal acne, which is really annoying. It's like, how old do you have to be for the acne to stop? I'm excited to see if this will cover the acne spots well. I've got a really good one on my nose, and I have some unevenness on this cheek too, like a dark spot here and light spots here, so hopefully it will work. Enough babbling, I'm going to go ahead and try this out. It's worth mentioning that they also sent me a foundation brush. It's synthetic fibers. It feels amazing. It's got a nice weight to it too. It definitely feels well made. Along with the Step 1 Skin Equalizer Hydrating Primer. And they sent me a bunch of these artist pencils. So these can be used as lip liners, eyeliners, you name it. I guess whatever you want. They're multi-usage, but this brick red looks really nice. So enough babbling, let's try out this foundation. Y513 is too light for me, so I'm not going to bother trying this, but these two are working well mixed together, sadly. This is too dark and too red, and this one is just a little too light and quite yellow, but mixed together, they're quite nice. Okay, cat eye is done. My God, liquid eyeliner tests your will to live. Okay, so I'm gonna put some mascara on now. It has a curled brush and short little bristles that get every little eyelash, so I quite like this mascara. I don't like it as much as Lancome's Monsieur Big. I'm gonna profile that on my YouTube channel too. It's so good. And this is color 716 Countless Crimson. So I'm just lightly coloring in my lips. This is the nicest lip pencil I have used. It's so soft. It doesn't feel dry and doesn't feel like it's tearing my lips. This color is goals. Ooh. Makeup Forever, oh my god. There is my completed look using Makeup Forever's Matte Velvet Skin Full Coverage Foundation 24-hour. I am loving it. While it's matte, I feel like my natural skin is still showing through. The coverage is stellar. It's fantastic. And just to recap, this Makeup Forever brush, this is number 108 straight. It's got synthetic bristles. It did a wonderful job at applying the foundation. I am really, really happy. And probably my favorite thing of this look is this on point red lip. So again, that's the Makeup Forever Artist Pencil number 716 in Countless Crimson. I love it. I love this look. Beautiful. So much for watching. Let me know what you thought about this video in the comments section. If you have any questions, add them to the comments section also. I love reading everything that you guys send. I'll also be posting this look to Instagram, so feel free to follow me at dominique.baker and let me know what you think of this look there in the comments section. Have you tried Makeup Forever's Matte Velvet Skin Full Coverage Foundation? Do you like it? Let me know. Leave me some comments. I would love that. If you like this video, please give it the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So, I will see you later. More beauty videos to come. Bye for now.